So we have a requirement where we have to embed a section from data class to work class. So how to do it? Let's see. Here you can see I have a data class. In the data class I have a section called submitter information and it has 4 fields. Now how to use this section to your work class? Let's understand. Let's come to my process flow. Let me open the process flow here. Open flow action submitter information. Give the name or user name to this section. Here you can see the class name is work service. Open the section. In this section, now we will embed the section. Go to structure, add dynamic layout. Inside this dynamic layout, add embed section. Now let's do the setting. Use the clipboard page. Here we have to give the work class. To get that work class, we can come to here. We will have this work class. Select the data class of type submitter info. Use the clipboard page of type submitter information and give the section name, which is of submitter information. Click submit. So this has added that embedded section. Once you do this, click on save. But there is one more trick here. Go to your section. So to embed section to work, we need to provide an action such as refresh data page. So we have to create a data transfer or something like that, so that in the pre-processing we have to do this. So once you do this, then only the data will come. So click on refresh page and give this values as update page, use submitter information, which is a target page, and then add a comment as refresh and save. Once you add the pre-processing, after that only the changes you can see. Okay, so this step is very important here.